8:30. It's making me so sad. Hi, sweetie girl. I really struggled early postpartum. I just opened the tracking. It would be so cute. I thought it would be insane to get them on Monday and launch them on Tuesday. Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. If you're new here, I'm Carla. If you're not new here, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a day in my life as a small business owner and a stay-at-home mom. Today's Tuesday, it's a really chill day. I actually skipped my workout this morning because my Oura ring told me that I wasn't very well recovered. Part of why I got the Oura ring again is because I have gotten sick so much this year. And I think it's probably mostly due to like not getting enough sleep because of the baby and then also breastfeeding. But I'm really trying to focus on being as healthy as possible so that I am not sick all the time. And it's nothing major. I've just had a lot of like really annoying colds. It's like 10:30. I just came out to the gazebo to get a little bit of work done. I actually spent a little time before she woke up this morning editing this video. I've been trying to use all the time I can when she is napping or sleeping to get work done because when she is awake, it is hard to do stuff. I also just don't want to be on my phone and computer as much when she's awake if I can avoid it. Now I'm going to work on some dress line things. I keep calling it a dress line. It's really a clothing line, but primarily dresses, and I'm so excited because my recent order shipped I think last night. Anyway, my contact I work with at the factory let me know that this morning, which was so exciting because that means that we are officially in the countdown until the product's here. So there's a lot I need to do, like the website products. I need to work on those. I need to work on naming everything. I need to work on cleaning out the storage room that I'm gonna keep them all in because this is the biggest order I've ever made. So I need to find space for all these things in my house. I did not get everything I wanted to get done, but the baby's awake, so let's go grab. Having my own business is the best, and I don't want to come off like I'm complaining because it is got so many perks. But one of the hard things that I almost didn't anticipate is the feeling of like there's no one to back you up. So like if you forget something, there's no one who would remind you, no one who'd be like, oh, don't forget about that thing. Whereas when you work in a team or like have employees or a boss or something, if you forget something every once in a while, someone will help you remember. I guess sometimes. Right today, the issue, which I feel like there's something like every other day, but today was a UPS bill that I forgot, an $800 UPS bill. Shipping is so expensive. But anyway, I forgot, I was about to get a late fee if I didn't pay it. And so I just went and paid it and it's fine. But it's one of those things where like I just stopped what I was doing, and I feel like this is what like I'll always have like a to-do list of the day, and then I end up getting caught up doing all kinds of random little things like that because you just like have to, like I can't like, obviously I don't want a late fee. Having a lunch of champions of a Fairlife protein drink, some of these late July chips, and some watermelon. Watermelon always hits. Paigey also loves watermelon. Okay, we're back in the office because I have to do some prep for our upcoming launches, which I'm so excited about, to what is one of the most challenging but fun parts, which is naming the prints. So I name all my dresses after lovely women in my life, and I have my besties collection coming out soon, which is my two close girlfriends, Alexis and Kathleen. Those are the two newest dresses coming out. But the style is named after a lady in my life, and then the print is, I try to name them after a color and then like a word that symbolizes something. So like Teal Garden or Rose Garden, Carolina Blue, like names that I feel like kind of go with the vibe of the print plus a color word. Okay, this is the next one I'm working on, this print. I love this print. I think it's so pretty. And I'm gonna be honest, I had a name for it and I don't remember what it is. Like I thought of one and I forgot it. But this is gonna be on our Mimi dress, and this is the dress I'm hoping to launch first. Well, my plan was to launch this first because I wanted it out for 4th of July, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. It's like 4:30 and I started some chicken in the Instant Pot, but I'm so hungry. Probably because I didn't eat enough lunch. So I'm finishing these pickles. I made these, the cucumber for my sister's garden. But let's check the chicken. Ooh, steamy. A bunch of chicken thighs in some chicken broth. And I'm hoping it's like, oh, perfect. Like shreddable. I'm gonna let these sit and cool down while we go outside and play in the pool. And then I will put them in the mixer and mix them up, and that shreds them perfectly. I think tonight we're gonna have barbecue chicken pizza because I wanted something that was quick that I could use this shredded chicken for. And we have some pizza dough that's been in the freezer for a long time. Like, probably too long. You wanna have some dinner? Perfectly shredded chicken. I'm so tomato red. Good morning, you guys. Paige is over there playing with a dress package. Just like her favorite toy. Happy Wednesday, you guys. I just went and got my hair done. I love it so much. I was feeling so dark. I also cut off like 4 inches because it's just getting so long and it's so hot, and I wear it up every day. Max was actually off today, so he was able to watch the baby. They went to Target, did a couple errands and things. So I'm just getting home now, and I'm gonna run inside, see the baby. I think she might be actually napping. And then we're gonna go to the pool this afternoon, which I'm really excited about. Filming some TikToks.
For me, it was almost like winter didn't count. Summer was what mattered.
We just got her from the pool. I jumped in even though my hair was freshly done, but it was so hot out. It's been like 90 degrees every day here, so I just jumped in, and it's literally only 8:30 at night. But I'm getting ready for bed, taking my vitamins. I did CrossFit this morning, then I had therapy, then I had to go straight to my hair appointment, and then I was home for a little bit, and then we went to the pool. But I also had a couple like work things in the middle of all of that, one of which being that my big order shipped. I think it's through customs already, which is awesome. Pray that it all comes really quickly because I'm so excited to see everything. Morning. Skipped my workout this morning and I can hear the baby, so we gotta be quick. These were a huge fail. I used this baby oatmeal instead of regular oatmeal, and I think that was the issue from the recipe, but we're gonna try it again. You want more pancakes? Okay, the plan for today is that we are gonna do some cleaning and organizing. We have like a guest room that has just become a dumping ground for everything, and I need to use that guest room to store all my extra product when it comes in, and since it has officially shipped, we better get moving on that. And then we need to go to UPS to pick up some returns. That's where I have my like box. I think it's only one return actually. And then drop off something at the post office. I'd stop by while we're out, go to a produce stand and get some fruits and veggies. I want to get cucumbers to make pickles. Because the last that I made were so good. I also might get some stuff for like a salad or something tonight. I don't know. We've been eating a lot of frozen vegetables, which is fine, but I'm just getting kind of tired of the same old, same old. So yeah, and then I have a couple computer things I need to do, a couple things I need to edit and stuff, but otherwise that's the plan for today. So we better get going because Paige's napping, and that's definitely the time I should declutter. Going through these clothes, it's making me so sad. Look how tiny this is. And this was, I remember when she first wore this, it was kind of big on her, and we went to visit my grandmother. It was the first day my grandmother met her, and it was the first day I was feeling better after being postpartum. It was probably like a week postpartum. No, probably like a week and a half. Anyway, I remember this outfit like clear as day. I remember because it was the first time I felt excited about getting her dressed. And honestly, getting her dressed sort of became like a fun activity where I got to like use a little bit of my, it just felt like kind of creative or fun. I don't know. I really struggled early postpartum, and for some reason getting her dressed became a thing that like really brought me a lot of joy right at the beginning while I was still very much getting my bearings. I was one of those people that got really depressed as soon as I had her. Like I got postpartum depression like 24 hours after having her, but I like really struggled in the hospital and then got home and was just like really, I remember the first morning I was home just like crying and crying and crying. I couldn't chill. I ended up going back to my doctor and getting on medication. I started therapy again. I've been in therapy ever since. So I'm feeling thankfully so much better, probably better now than I was like before when I was pregnant. Like I think I have like dealt with so many issues. I can go into that another day about like all the things I've learned about myself and worked on, but seeing these little outfits reminds me of that time. Okay, I got everything cleaned up and just put this shelf here. I literally just finished and I heard Paige waking up. I love when it works out like that. Hi, sweetie girl. Did you have a good nap? You slept for like 2 hours. I just opened the tracking and it's gonna be delivered on Monday, it says. And it's UPS, which I have a lot more faith in. Oh my God. I wonder if we could launch it before 4th of July. Problem is I'm going to a wedding next weekend and it's in New Mexico. These are the hard parts about being a, you know, solopreneur, is that like, it's not just like planning the launches. It's actually planning like how I'm gonna ship everything out. I don't know, but that's exciting. And it's not gonna be here till Monday afternoon. So that's gonna be a really, really, really tight turnaround time. But maybe we just do it. Maybe we just full send. By the time you guys see this, it'll probably already be decided. Hello.
Or just chewed up a whole carrot and then just spit the whole thing on the floor.
Oh,
How are you?
I have exciting news.
What's that?
The dresses are gonna be here on Monday.
Oh, wow.
There's one dress that's this pattern that I think would be so cute for 4th of July. Hi, Fordo. I was wondering if you thought it would be insane to get them on Monday and launch them on Tuesday. Just the one dress.
Because we have to do the pictures. Yeah, I don't have anything on Monday, so we can do them that evening. Yes, I think we can do that.
Anyway, I'll let you go, but I did organize all the baby clothes and they're so cute. Okay, so I talked to Emily and I think we're gonna try to launch on Tuesday, which means we have to do the photos Monday night and get them back and posted probably by, I was hoping to launch at like 10 a.m., 10 or 12 on Tuesday. But yeah, I'm so excited. I think it's gonna be worth it. I'm just gonna launch the one dress that would be great for 4th of July and not worry about any of the other stuff, but I'm so excited. Just got the Mom Cozy like hip carry. I guess it's a dupe of the Tush Baby. And I really like it. I tried it once with Paige yesterday and I think she really liked it too. I honestly think it would be really convenient for like quick little errands. I mean, it does look kind of silly, you can't really tell, but it like has like a plastic piece in here, so you just put the baby on here. But it has like a whole fanny pack and this whole section that you can fit like a bunch of stuff in. We're gonna try it out, I think. You have one for me? Sure, I think so. I'm getting you. We just got so many good things, including this kettle corn. So I'm gonna have some of this on the way home and we're gonna go home and do a little cooking. Okay, first thing we're gonna make is some carrot like tots, I think. I'm gonna use some of these sourdough breadcrumbs I made with some extra sourdough bread and hopefully it's good. I'm trying to make some food right now because tomorrow we're going to a wedding and my mother-in-law is watching her and I just wanna have like some good easy stuff for her to feed her. She doesn't love purees. So that's why we're doing a lot of like baby-led weaning because she doesn't really like that. Likes things she can pick up and eat herself. So I feel like tots will be like the perfect item. Okay, so I made the carrot tots. Actually came out really good. Paige hasn't tried them yet, but I did, and they're good. I cut up some watermelon. I made the salad for dinner tonight. And I made another batch of pancakes. This time I just made sourdough pancakes because I made these a couple weeks ago and they were really good. So I'm gonna make these for her. Crushed it. Hey, Max.
We did better than That was hard. It was so hard. I say that every single workout.
How do you not look like you even did a workout? Like you're literally not sweating? Are you joking?
You look like you worked really hard. I don't even look like I...
Yeah, it looks like you just got here. Good morning, you guys. Happy Friday. Today's kind of a funny day because it's my cousin's wedding this afternoon. So my mother-in-law is coming over to watch the baby. So I need to get everything prepped for her. I already did a bunch of that cooking and stuff last night. Get some work done while Paige is napping. Feeling a little stressed because we not only have the wedding tonight, but also are planning to go to the lake tomorrow morning, like as early as we can, hopefully. And I always get a little stressed leaving my baby. And like my mother-in-law has watched her several times. She's the best. it's nothing about like anyone who's watching her. I've only had very trusting people watch her. It's just about like making sure I like have enough stuff for her. I never know, like since I exclusively breastfeed, I don't know how much like milk she drinks from a bottle. And I also just know she's used to being with me. And it's like, I know it's a change for her, but it's good because I know she needs to experience spending time with other people. Anyway, it just makes me feel a little bit uneasy. We have a couple orange tomatoes, but they're not quite ready, so I'm gonna leave them on for another day or two. We'll get them on Sunday. Wow, you're doing so good with lunch. Here you go. This is what I'm wearing. This is a Judy dress. I got this made as a sample because I loved this fabric and wanted to use this fabric, but then I ended up deciding I wanted to make it into a Mimi. Instead, I thought I would like the Mimi style better because I thought it'd be so perfect for like 4th of July. It's really cute in the Judy too. Honestly, I really like it. Anyway, this is the dress that's supposed to be coming out like next week for me, but probably already out by the time you guys see this. So if you like this print, you can shop it in the Mimi fabric. It's not lined, so it's like the coolest dress I have. I'm wearing it with some like little biker, like the jockey biker shorts. Honestly, it's very cool and comfortable. So it looks like. And I'm just wearing it with these little braided sandals. So cute and comfortable. I think I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss my next video.